Ayan guys, tingnan yung puno guys. Oh my god, this is makasana all kita nilang kuan guys. Sus, grabe yung mga puno nila dito guys, no? Ayan. Ang galing. Wow, tingnan yung trees guys. Different color guys. Oh my god. Before guys, it's dead, right? Looks like dead, but now wow. As you can see their trees guys. Oh, this is very different colors. So nice na kay guys. Yan, papunta tayong Kordiak ngayon guys. So nice, we take advantage dahat guys. The weather today, it's really nice. Oh my god, I like it. Oh, look at the house guys. It's so nice kay mga house diri nila guys. Ay, very nice kay house guys. You can see the house guys. So nice guys, no? Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Kordiak guys. Ayan. Yan, Kordiak na yan guys. Nandito na tayo sa Kordiak guys. Ayan, sus, maglalakad tayo dyan guys. Ayan, sus, oh my god, I'm so happy. I am here at Kordiak. Sus, before guys, sus, takot kaya ako maglalakad dito guys. Pero ngayon guys, ayoko talagang, convince ko talaga yung self ko guys na ayoko matakot, no? Gusto ko talaga maglalakad kahit solo akong maglalakad. Ayan. Push ko talaga ang sarili ko guys na bakit bang hindi ako maglalakad? Bakit ba takot ako maglalakad dito na mag-isa? Ayan. So, sa ngayon guys, parang hindi na tayo matakot kasi ano na init na warm na. It's so warm na here today. So, it's nice to take advantage the weather guys. Oh my god. So, tingnan nyo guys, mayroon nang nag-running dito guys. This is Kordiak place guys. Oh my god. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa Kordiak guys. There's Ensbrak. Oh. Ayan. Pinakita ko na sa inyo guys. For every day to taste the sweet. Ayan, kumakanta pa tayo guys. Ayan, sus, papunta na tayo dito guys. Nandito na tayo sa Kordiak Park. Kordiak County Park guys. Ayan. So nice, right? Yes, we're here at Kordiak County Park guys. Oh my god. Woo!